what a consolidation here on the SPY. Things didn't really get moving till the second half of the day, and it was also like that on the QQQ and also on IWM. If this is your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So the SPY started moving in the second half of the day, and our SPY bot at 3 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, the SPY stock started pushing upwards. Inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Bull strength on 42 vision, and call options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and join the community of members using 42 vision to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down, and gaining that edge within the volatility. So the SPY here was holding up all day above 615, and inflows finally came in here in the second half, and that bull indicator confirmed as well, as we saw there in the SPY bot notification at 3 p.m. and it pushed up and slowed down at 619, and we're going to look at in just a moment why that level is crucial. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run today was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and join the members using 42 vision, the link is down below in the description and the top pinned comment to get connected over to our 42 vision indicators, our inflow versus outflow, and our bots. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us to receive that clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility. So the home run today was from NVDA, our NVIDIA bot. Our NVIDIA bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:35 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 40% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and the top pinned comment to join the community of members using 42 vision, and you can join now as well. We look forward to having you join us and getting you connected. Let's jump into these charts. So the SPY stock, the SP500 index, went ahead and did a full transition here today from the rip area to the dip area on the 5-minute in the volatility, and back up to the rip area into the close. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, with inflows holding up this chart, and it's an inflow driven day, right? We had inflows from the after hours on Friday, breaking through that outflow level at 614, holding up this chart, and then inflows came back in here in the second half at 615, pushing things up even higher, and you could see it there on the 3-minute as well in the volatility, followed by multiple bull indicators and the strength to come back up and retest the opening highs at 617.50 and breaking out even higher than that. Now on the SPY, we don't really see an outflow level here, but if we go to the QQQ, there was an outflow level here at 550.86. Inflows came in here near 549.50, and things pushed up right towards it. And this is what we look for, right? We look for the multiple confirmations of bull indicators coming in, dip area, inflows coming in, and a previous outflow level to try to retrace and retest. And that's exactly what it did here into the close, and it broke through it and used it as support so far in the live action to push up higher, and here even in the after hours. So this is what we look for on inflow versus outflow. Now on the SPY, we have inflows up here on the 15-minute as well, and the first support I'll be watching is 616.50 all the way down to 615, and if that gets broken through, 613 will be crucial. That is something to not overlook here in the live action. Now to the upside, We'll be watching the highs that we hit so far near 619 and see if it can break through 620 and reassess at these all-time highs. 620 gets broken through. The first level I'll be watching real tight there is 621 to 622. Now we're going to take a look at the bull and bear indicators on what's justifying this move, followed by the strength of these inflows. I just noticed my mic has been acting up, so I apologize, but if there's a change in volume. So let's go ahead and continue to break this down. So the SPY is now under a bull indicator here into the half of the end of the day, right? We have a bull indicator at 616, and we're going to break down why it's been so crucial and why we continue to move higher. And it's not justifiable that even though the lower time frames, like the 5-minute, may get a bear indicator, right now it's under a bull indicator and pulls back, it does not mean the whole chart has collapsed, right? We could see here on the 30-minute as well, right? A bull indicator at 613, canceling out that bear indicator and strength from the previous one. And here we are seeing it continue. The 1 hour lasted from down here at 595. It went all the way up towards 612, 610, and continued to break out. And we got our first bear indicator on Friday. And now we're back under a bull indicator here at 613. But the bigger picture of the 2 hour has been holding up. How long could this last? Well, that's a question mark, right? We need to continue to watch and reassess these levels, but this bull indicator has been holding up since 598. And you're going to take a look at here what we broke down last week when we were consolidating here and pushing upwards, and how important it was to break through 607, 610, and 612 to even reach the levels we're at today. As long as this bull indicator holds up, any pullback is not justifiable, especially if the 1 hour doesn't cancel as well. We may see in the volatility, like on the 5-minute, it just got a bear indicator here at 607.50, but it does not justify the move to the downside because we have multiple bull indicators on larger time frames. So the key levels I'll be watching to the downside is 605 to 603 and 600, and to the upside, it's going to be 608, 610, and 612, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and gain that edge to be able to clearly see the strength of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow and the levels we may retrace towards in either direction, and the strength of that trend that's confirming the move with our bull and bear indicators within the volatility of the charts and markets, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment, and join the members using 42 Vision and become part of the community. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.